Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do exercise 5.3, find the roots of the quadratic equation. Our equation is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equals to 0. So whenever we are finding the roots, we have to factorize the equation, right? But this is in the form of 2x square plus x minus 4. So here what is value of a here? A is 2. Okay, so we need, if we want to write this, factorize this or something, we need to write in the form of a plus b whole square at least. Okay, so that it should be a square plus 2ab plus b square. But what is a here? Here a is 2. What is b? B is not there, right? So how we will do? So 2x square plus 2 into root 2 into x into 1 by 2 root 2. What I am doing is, here I am multiplying 2 root 2 and 2 root 2 denominator and numerator, because if I cancel it again I will get x only. So 2 root 2 x 1 by 2 root 2 is equals to 4. Okay, so here now if I write root 2x whole square, does it make any difference here? Because root 2, if I square root this, and this will be cancels and x will get square. So root 2x whole square plus 2 into root 2x into 1 by 2 root 2 is equals to 4. So what is our b here? B square. What is b square here? If I write root 2x whole square, this is a, plus 2, what is a? Root 2x into b 1 by 2 root 2, this is b here. So if I add 1 by 2 root 2 whole square on both sides, does it make any difference? No. So 1 by 2 root 2 on both sides I am adding. Okay, right? So this and this will get cancelled, anyhow the number will be same. So I am adding b square on both sides. So now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is nothing but root 2x plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole square, right? This is in the form of a plus b whole square is equals to 4 plus 1 by 2 2 is a 4 root 2, right? Root 2 whole square, no? So square root get cancels. So it is root 2x plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole square is equals to 4 plus 1 by 4 2 is a 8, right? So root 2x plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole square is equals to 4 8 is a 32. 32 plus 1, 33 by 8. Okay, so if I am removing square, the root will be sent on that side. So root 2x plus 1 by 2 root 2 is equals to under root of 33 by 8, right? Or else we can write it as root 33 by 2 root 2 plus or minus. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2, right? Because 2 2 is a 4. So 1 2 is outside, 4 2 is 8. So 2 root 2. Okay, now so we are left with root 2x is equals to root 33 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by root 2x. I am sending that, so it will be minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is plus or minus because we are sending root on the other side. So x is equals to plus or minus root 33 by this plus root 2 I am sending this side. So 2 into root 2 into root 2, root will get cancels. 2 2 is a how much? 4. Here also the same thing. One I'm taking the one same here. Okay, so x is equals to plus or minus root 33 minus 1 by 2 4s are 8. So the roots will be what? One is plus root 33 minus 1 by 8, another is minus root 33 minus 1 by 8. So these are nothing but the roots of the equation. Okay, next 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. Again, this for this also we have to do the same thing. This is first I am taking my plus 3 that side. 4x square plus 4 root 3 x is equals to 3. Okay, now can I write this in the form of square? Yes, 2 2 is a 4, right? So 2x whole square I am writing now, plus 2 into 2x into root 3 is equals to 3. 2a b is root 3 here. So I will add root 3 whole square on both sides. 2x root 3 plus root 3 whole square is equals to 3 plus root 3 whole square. So this is 3 plus 3 root 3 both side, 3 root 3 I added on both side. Now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2x plus root 3 whole square is equals to square root cancel again, 3 plus 3 is 6. So 2x plus root 3 is equals to under root of 6, right? So again 2x, this is plus 3 or minus 3, this is plus 3. Minus 3 I send it on that side, so it is nothing but 6. So 2x is equals to root 6 plus my root 3, I am sending that side, it will be minus root 3. So x is equals to root 6 minus plus or minus root 3 by 2. So one root will be root 6 minus root 3 by 2, another it will be minus root 3 minus root 6 minus root 3 by 2. So these are the roots of the equation.